Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Fredwreck. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my house. I just wanted to do this video because my good friend Martha Stewart sent me a bunch of packages today for my house, and I wanted to share them with you before I opened them up myself. I felt like, man, her stuff is so great, and I just have to share it with you. I mean, she sent me this Martha Stewart's Homekeeping Handbook. If you don't have one of these, go get one. This is like incredible. This is the Bible of homekeeping. So I'm gonna get to, it's gonna take me a minute, but I'm gonna go through this. But what I wanna do is I wanna start off by opening up some of the packages she gave me and seeing all her great products. You know, Martha puts in a lot of effort and a lot of love into all the stuff that she makes. She's kind of like the musician of homekeeping and food. So we kind of relate to it like that. She's like a artist in her own right. So I wanted to share some of her products and do a little unboxing. I've never done an unboxing before. So this is my chance to share some of my good friends' products and share them with you guys and get to check them out. So stay tuned. Let's check out some of Martha's stuff. All right, let's start with this. Pop this one open. Get this open up real quick like this. See what she's got for us. Just open. Wow, look at that. I already like it. Saucepan with a lid. Okay, let's see, Martha. Look at that, saucepan with the lid, okay? Let's see what we got here. Oh, wow. Look at the presentation, everybody. Look at the presentation. Look at that. It comes in a little bag. Let's open this up. Just like this. Look at that lid. Okay, we got the lid. Wow, look at the presentation of this. It comes in its own bag. Look at that. I'm wondering, do I keep it in the cupboard like that with the bag in it? Okay. Getting it together. Wow, look at this thing. Look at that. Look at Martha's saucepan. I can make my own sauces now. Wow, look at the details. Heavy duty stuff. Heavy duty stuff. All right, let's check out the next box. Okay. Let's see. Martha's frying pan. Okay. Fry it up. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what Martha's frying pan looks like, okay? Let's see. Look at the presentation. Look at the box. This is like, might not even want to fry nothing up with this. Looks like a work of art. Look at that frying pan. Whew. Wow. Got the Martha on the back. Look at that thing. 10-inch frying pan. Beautiful. Beautiful work, Martha. Ooh, another frying pan. Oh, let's see. An 8-inch frying pan. I didn't even know there was such a thing as an 8-inch frying pan. I just thought a frying pan was a frying pan. Let's open this up. Wow. Signature collection. Let's see what an 8-inch frying pan looks like. This is just for when you want just to cook 1 egg or 2 eggs or something, I guess. Okay, we got the 8-inch frying pan coming right up. Ooh wee, look at that. This is a little quick. This is one of the quick ones that you see Martha doing all this stuff too. Look at the quality on that. Wow. 8-inch frying pan, okay? So I got an 8-inch frying pan now. Let's see what Martha has in store in here. Got another beautifully wrapped. Okay. Frying pan lid. I think this is a frying pan. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this pan. Whoa. Look at this thing. Look at that. Oh wow. Look at that. This is beautiful, Martha. Beautiful, beautiful product. Look how heavy and heavy duty it is. It's so good. Okay. Let's get this one open. Okay, so we got, what does it say? Roasting pan with the rack. All right. Okay, so we got the roasting pan with the rack. Let's see what this looks like. I mean, the vibe that I'm getting from all this stuff is you have to understand, if you're a connoisseur of cooking, and if you're messing with Martha Stewart's products, you got to be a connoisseur and love cooking. Because her stuff is top notch, you know? It ain't like that stuff you go buy at, I don't want to say any other stores' names, but her stuff is like off the hook. Look at this. Wow. Okay, we got the grill part here. Let's put that aside so we can get into the meat and potatoes of whatever this is. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Let's get rid of this box. Excuse me, box. Look at this. Oh, wow. So this just goes in here like this. To the next box. Let's get to this next box. Let's pop this. Look at this. What do we got here? Stock pot with the lid. All right? Stock pot with a lid. Let's see what a stock pot with a lid is working with. Okay. Get that open. The packaging is so nice that I don't even want to like mess up the packaging, but we all know the real nitty gritties on the inside. We got this stainless steel tri-ply. Tri-ply. Let's get it out. I mean, it comes in these bags. Am I supposed to keep it in the cupboard in these bags, or is this just for traveling, Martha? Because I like it how it is. Look at that. Look at the top. Okay, put that there. Let's see what this pot looks like. Let's see what the pot looks like. Look at this pot. All right, got them. Look at this pot. Oh wow. Look at that. Look at that pot. Make me a stew in here. Look at that. Look at this. Beautiful pot. It's like really heavy duty too. It ain't that stuff that you get at the, you know, flea market. Okay. This one says, let's open this one up. What we got here? We got saucepan with a lid. Let's see what a saucepan with the lid is looking like. Saucepan with the lid. Put that over there. Let's see what we got here. Beautiful lid. Look at this beautiful saucepan. I mean, this is just making me want to go right now and start cooking something up. Look at that saucepan. That's good. Look at this. Look at this saucepan. I mean, wow, look at that. Look at that. It's like a work of art. It's literally a work of art. Look at that. I mean, if you cook and this is your thing, this is like the Rolls Royce of cooking stuff. You know what I mean? Rolls Royce. Okay, next box. I'm not much of a cooking person, but when you have products like this, it kind of inspires you to do something. You know what I mean? So my next video, I might have to make me a little video of me actually cooking something with this stuff. Okay, so we got this 3-quart saucepan on this one. She got every size I see. I didn't realize there was this many sizes of. It's like instruments for people that cook, you know. Different guitars for me, different keyboards, different size saucepans for Martha. Once again, we got the beautiful lid. Got the beautiful lid. Let's get rid of this. Got the beautiful lid. And then we got, ooh, look at that saucepan. Another beautiful saucepan. Look at that thing. Look at this thing. Wonderful. Perfect. It's perfect. It's literally a perfect saucepan. Like, how could you go wrong with that? Okay. Next box. I'm gonna open this up. Dun, 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 dun. 12-inch. Oh, let's throw these boxes over here. We got the 12-inch frying pan. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. We're gonna get this thing open now. I mean, I gotta call Martha and ask her, do I store the frying pan with this beautiful bag, or is this just for, look at that frying pan, y'all. Look at that frying pan. I'm gonna fry my butt off. Look at that thing. Just a beautiful stainless steel frying pan. Love it, loving it, loving it. Hey everybody, thanks a lot for tuning in. And I just want to say thank you so much, Martha, for sending me all this stuff. Now I got to put it to use and do some cooking around here. But everybody out there that got to see me open up all these boxes, go out there, go to Martha's website, marthastewart.com, get yourself some of these great products. Martha does an amazing job and she is a real artist. So thank you for tuning in with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.